In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Photo swipe, also known as photo carousel, is a famous feature of TikTok that every user can access on their accounts. There are different approaches that you can use to solve this problem. The first approach would be to go ahead and click on the hamburger icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Now in here, click on the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Now in here, scroll down and look for the free up space option. Click on the free up space option. Now in this area, you can click on the clear button beside cache and download to be able to clear cache your TikTok, since this might have been the cause why you don't have the photo carousel feature. Now another method that you can use is to go ahead and open Play Store on your device. On your Play Store, go ahead and search for TikTok. Now make sure that TikTok is up to date, since having the latest TikTok app would make sure that you have access to all the latest features of TikTok. Another method you can try out is to open app info of TikTok. Now by opening the app info, you can uninstall the app on your device and try reinstalling it again, since this might have caused the issue on your application. And the last method that you can try out is to report a problem on TikTok. So just go ahead and click on report a problem under the settings and privacy option. Now in here, scroll down and click on the submit a report button. Now in this area, you'll need to elaborate the problem that you're facing on TikTok. You can provide a photo or a video to prove that you don't have that specific feature on TikTok. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.